Chainsaw Man is overhyped. It is number 1 anime with over 580k members before airing. Well, its manga is super popular and have unique storyline than any other shonen animes. But anime community is overhyped by Chainsaw Man, mainly due to its studio Mappa. Mappa is most famous and trusted studio thanks to Attack on Titan, and Mappa is not flinching even a bit in terms of animation and money for Chainsaw Man. But if they try to sell it with its animation and Makima's ass, then of course we will watch it. But if that's it, then it can't play well in the long term. And hey, don't set your expectation bar very high, because a nobleman said expectation leads to disappointment.